Welcome. In front of me I have OPPO Reno5, and today I'll show you how fingerprint sensor works when you put on your display tempered glass. As you can spot right here, I got here the tempered glass. It's not for that model, but it is applied, as you can hear even. And you can spot it right here on the edges. So I'm going to show you how this sensor works. Let's go. As you can see, it's very fast and it works every time, even when you put on it the tempered glass. So definitely don't be worried about that, just simply put on the screen tempered glass and your sensor will work without any problems. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.